Hi, this is Antara, expert nutrition coach from Truweight. Today we will talk about iron-rich food. Iron-rich food you should include as a part of your diet. Adequate iron content is very important for a healthy body, and a body lacking in iron needs to work more harder to gather energy. Iron deficiency can make you feel lethargic, fatigued, and not being able to do any physical activity. Prolonged iron deficiency can lead to several health issues like dizziness, brittle nails, hair losses, irritability, shortness of breath, etc. But not to worry, by eating certain foods, you can increase your iron intake. These foods are spinach, legumes, dried fruits, tofu, broccoli, quinoa, pumpkin seeds, etc. And if you are a non-vegetarian, you can eat organ meats like chicken, liver. You can go for egg yolks, fish, chicken muscles, seafood, salmon, etc. for increasing your iron intake. Do you know vitamin C improves the absorption of iron? Your doctor might have recommended taking iron capsules with a glass of orange juice or vitamin C supplements. So add foods like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, green and red bell peppers, spinach, citrus fruits, etc. to improve your vitamin C level. There is no dearth of iron-rich food options out there. Just remember that since the body cannot produce iron by its own, it needs to be consumed in a different forms on a regular basis. So eat more iron-rich foods to stay healthy.